Okay, it's definitely this way then. 100%.
Yeah, he was protecting the fire. Oh. Alright. You're so fucking dumb! We gotta go kill King Bomb.
Where is King Bomb?
He's on top of the mountain.
What mountain?
The mountain. It's kind of not hard to tell what mountain it is. What do you mean, what mountain? Oh, what mountain?
Oh, is it that big block of dirt?
Oh my god.
Yes, that is what a mountain is, Memon.
You see these 3 valves? They were all like U-shaped.
What?
Yeah, all of them. I had to pull all 3.
That's so mean.
This is so mean. I got him.
What? That's even meaner. Thank you for clipping that, by the way. Keep. Oh! Get away from me! I missed. What was that? What was that? Cannonless. There's no way I'm hitting cannonless.
Oh, it's the order.
I know. It's the order.
I'm by the penguin.
Oh! I think Tim just fucking died. Tim just got snare fleed.
He's good.
No, he's good.
He's good.
He's good. All right.
He'll make it out.
Good.
Listen, it's Tim.
Yeah, for sure.
He's gonna spectate us, and we're doing this, watching him fucking die.
No, Tim's the best, man.
Yeah, you go, man.
Yeah, no, Tim's got it.
Tim's carrying us today.
Yeah, for real.
Okay.
We'll gain money for our band.
He's fine.
I don't think he's fine. He's not moving.
Oh, what?
I think he's just playing guitar.
Yeah, true.
He's practicing.
I think he's...
I went.
Aberrent. Hey, gang.
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
The penguin looks exactly like the other one. I don't know what the.
I don't know that other one. That other one.
Oh! I turned the meow to one channel. Oh no! Keep him! Yes! Keep him! Yes! Yes! Boy, that was so much louder! That one took a bit. Oh, I just realized what map we're on. I didn't realize we were going 10.
Yeah.
It's true.
No, it's
Wow,
good, it's
this
good.
seed-
No, 10's great. 10's great. 10's
I would
great.
never leave
Number
you
1.
astray.
What? What?
That guy!
Does he like have some insider knowledge about some stars? Dude, I've played like 3 minutes of this game total.
3-star door. Memon.
Whoa, we're going here.
3-star.
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 Let me in.
You are a cheat. Shut up, bro. Nope.
It's this level.
What the fuck?
I don't care that
Aberrent!
it's bad.
Yeah, DT's dead. She got spotted.
Oh, you might get spotted as well.
No. Oh!
Okay, well, that answers that question. Yo, what's up, gang? Butter just died. Tim? Okay, glad to hear it. How do we do this? Lock in. You resign? Actually, good move. Trade. Take the rock. Your streamer. I'm here. What's up, gang?
So long, Bowser.
Alright,
You're getting cooked.
Shit, I walked
Oh
into it.
fuck, I don't know how to grab. Oh,
Oh!
Let's go. Spin.
Spin!
how do you spin?
Movement,
Joystick!
movement. Yeah.
Oh, go Choppy.
Memon,
that
how
might
the
have
fuck
fallen
did
off.
you die?
How did you
It
die?
might have fallen off, maybe.
Oh fuck.
Here we go.
What did Memon
Choppy.
do? I don't know. Come on, it's not that bad. It's not that hard.
No!
Oh!
I win.
Okay, listen. There's 2 dead bodies. another item, and some more items at the front door. That's all. Go, 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 go!
Welcome. Listen, guys, listen. Everybody settle down, alright? We had a hard days of work.
Hard days of work.
Okay.
Lots
And
of,
we
gotta
just
get
got
ready for
our
Yeah.
huge payday. Okay?
and we spent it all on these instruments, apparently.
Meditation. Meditation.
Alright, Tim ruined
Yeah,
it.
I'm kicking him. Alright.
Yeah.
Bye, Tim. Yeah, okay, he's gone.
Why'd you kick him? Wait! I didn't click!
What are we doing here?
I'm trying to push you off the edge, I'm gonna be honest here.
Okay, well, I'm just.
Level, it's fucking. I don't know what the camera was doing, bro.
That's fair.
Ah, I just died. That scared me so
Oh,
bad.
no! I got karma!
Jules,
What's up, gang? Listen, that was...
you actually just got owned.
I really did.
Oh, I have the best way to kill Tim.
Okay, but wait.
Alright,
This way?
do we follow this... Do we just follow our instincts and intuition?
100% this way.
Yeah.
Actually. And then you loop back.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it's like a zigzag, right?
Yeah, it's like Konami's
Go
code.
this way.
We're typing the
Yeah,
code, find...
exactly.
Oh, you
Why
Oh.
is Toad invisible?
Yeah, don't worry about
Toad is
it.
invisible. Fire level!
No, this way, this way, this way. I want to show them. Alright, yeah, so...
What?
Wait, no, Memon, Chop, Aberrent, everyone come back over to the corner. Everyone come back to the corner.
Funky!
Where are you guys going? Where are you?
Buddy, there's a buddy!
Funky!
Tim's not dead
I
yet,
think
right?
surely not. Surely not. It's been like 2 minutes. Wait.
What? Oh yeah,
That's for you. I know.
you gave me fucking
I
kills.
I know how much you like those.
The epic runner! Let's go!
Oh, I just died. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Oh wait, I'm gonna fuck this guy up.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Right?
Yeah,
Then I
yeah.
get straight back.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yep.
I'm hey, holy crap! Somebody has really bad.
That's
breath.
locked.
There you go. Have some of this. There you go.
What?
Guys,
Hold up.
I don't
I want
understand. Where's my hat? Hey, what's up?
you
Your hat
did
is on there for me. It's on.
did
I,
the
it's just.
8-point puzzle.
It's on. My
Man,
I'm
Wait,
in
this is
there.
like evil. This guy's
Oh,
like
what the
evil.
fuck is that?
Why are you bubbled? Wait, what is this door?
I don't know what I'm
me
doing.
up.
Yes! Okay, we gotta grab this. Wait, can you even grab it without a... Oh.
This world.
I think you stole it from me.
Yippee!
Oh my god, I forgot
shit.
about this world.
Oh, grab the shell.
Dude, this is going amazing.
Alright, I need to kill this
Oh
fuck.
fuck! Oh fuck!
Are you okay?
Rock, paper, scissors?
I'm so good.
If you
Yeah,
win,
yeah,
do you
like-
want to just kill us both, or... You just won.
I'm so good.
Dude, he's chasing. No, this is where we're going. We're going the right way. We're going the right way. Whoa! No! It's midnight already? Okay, I'm just dead. Hey, guys. Bit miscalculation here, man. Oh! I'm alive, but how?
I'm trying my
Dude, what am
I
I
don't
doing?
want
Like,
to
I
do
actually
that.
have no idea what I'm doing.
Me neither, bro.
I'm in like a pool of water, and there's the Loch Ness monster in my face.
Oh,
What?
I think.
I got that
Oh,
star.
yeah. I think we already got both the
I've been here
stars
for
there.
20 minutes, Choppy. Come on.
I didn't know you were there.
Hey, Choppy, what's up?
Oh,
I'm
come
here.
here. Memon, come here.
Where?
Come in here. Go play piano. You can play piano.
Yay!
That was a visceral scream. A little bit of traffic. A little bit of traffic.
Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Ah, don't mind me. That's a.
Am I safe in here?
You're good. You're good. You're good. Don't sweat it.
Okay, you just get us back to the
Don't
ship.
sweat
We'll
it,
be fine.
Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Don't do that.
What just happened?
Don't do that.
Whoa!
Ah!
Where? What? I'm here? Wait, what? You can be here?
Oh, he's coming to land on me. Check this out.
No way.
Here he comes.
Here he comes. Ah!
Here.
Alright.
You freaking idiot.
I'm glad both me and Choppy witnessed that happen. Yeah, this guy's kind of walking around, so... Oh, shit. Was that Tim? Go! We got a thing! What's up, gang?
Hey. That sucked.
Yeah.
Elevator. You can just stand in the elevator and he never kills you.
He just fucking died. Oh. That guy's not coming for me, right? Right? We get hit by a meteor? Oh!
Welcome.
Oh, that's a really good movie. Aberrent size 40% like great dot.
Dude, literally.